Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, I'm gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be trying out two plugins. So there's the invention of AI. So I think there should be, a plugin that you can just load on your vocal, and it's just gonna give you a perfect mix. So I did some research, and I found these two plugins. I got them and decided to try it out. So let's go. This is my first time trying them out. So without wasting time, guys, let's go. All right, so let me just play a section because I'm just gonna loop just a small section of this vocal.
Talk to me, talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we?
So very dry vocal. So I'm just gonna send this vocal to the mixer and let's try using those plugins. But the thing is that most of these plugins don't actually come with auto-tune. So I'm just gonna be applying, auto-tune, the standard auto-tune, and I'm sure you guys should already have auto-tune. And I'm just gonna select the key. Let's go with majors. I think the song is on F sharp major. I'm on alto tenor. So let's just increase the return speed a little bit.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night.
All right, nice. So let's go try out the first plugin. So the first plugin I'm going to be trying out, what is it called? I'm trying to remember the name. It's called VOTT. And in case these plugins make sense, you can just go get them. I'm not try to promote any of these plugins, but you could just go get them if you feel like they actually did what they should do. So this now, they have various presets which we can actually just pick from. So let's just pick some of the presets and see whether it's gonna give us a perfect mix or a finished mix. So let's just bring down the output gain a little bit because that's way too loud. So let's go.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk?
Nice. I think it's just loading up the plugin. This sounds nice already. Because let's just turn it off so you can see the before and after. Let's turn it off.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so
let's turn it on.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long.
So this adding this amount is just giving it more compression. So trying to compress the vocal more. So let's just increase it all the way to the max.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Come down and ask what you're like two adults. I'ma you they gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door. You drive me. Talk to me, talk.
I think this is amazing. So it's definitely possible. I think from my own perspective, I think this sounds nice. And guys, I'm not sponsored by these guys. I just did a research, to see whether, because I was like, okay, what if somebody that can't mix actually want to mix? There should be like, with this whole AI thing now, there should be like, you just load your vocal there and it just gives you a nice mix you could even upload, and people would think that this was done by a professional. And I think this
Talk to me, baby.
so I think what is missing is them just mute the beats. Them just mute the beat. Let's hear what the vocal sounds like alone.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so
from listening to it, I think it has added some high end, giving it some creep, some air.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby.
That also added in some EQ because they're taking away some of the lows.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby.
Them just adding a reverb, fruity reverb.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Come down and ask what you're like two adults. I'ma you they gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door. You drive me. Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say.
Let's say breathy.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so
I think I like brighter more.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk?
I give a thumbs up for this. So let's compare it with the other one, and the other one we're going to be comparing it with is called Breeze. All right, so let's look at Breeze. So what Breeze does basically is you play the signal and just capture it. So let's just do that. So I'm just gonna play it.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a baby, so I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Come down and ask what you're like two adults. I'ma you they gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts. Do you love me?
Okay, it has finished the capture. So but yeah, let's see. So we have space, we have span, and I think this space and span basically deals with the reverb. So for this one, it already has like a reverb on there. So then the creeps is like for the EQ. So let's just play that
Talk to me,
and let's increase the creeps. Let's see what it sounds like.
talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Calm down and act what you're like two adults. I want you to gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts. Do you love me? Can I put my trust in you? You indulge me, baby. You did make my...
This is not bad. Let me turn it off. Let's see.
Talk to me,
So from this to this.
talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Calm down and act what you're like two adults. I want you to gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts. Me, baby, I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Calm down and act what you're like two adults. I want you to gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts.
So this is close. Let me just load in this reverb. Let's see.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda.
And let me load the delay also. I think this is sounding better now. It's sounding much better.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Calm down and act what you're like two adults. I want you to gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts. Do you love me? Can I put my trust in you? You indulge me, baby. You did make my heart tumble. Do you love me, baby? Can I put my trust in you? You indulge me, yeah. And now I can't let go of your memories. For you, I got me.
Nice. So now let's look at the two and try to, compare the two and see whether, which is better. And I would really love you guys to let me know in the comment. This is just an experimental, video for me. I just wanted trying it. This is like my first time of actually trying trying out these plugins. I just did the research, saw the two plugins. I said, okay, let me just try them out and see whether, they're gonna do what they say they're gonna do.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda.
This is the second one.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi.
Is it me or they somewhat sound alike? Guys, is it me or I think they sound alike?
Talk to me.
Guys.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting.
I think they sound alike. Damn. And they're from different manufacturers. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. Or is it my ear? I want to know. Or is it my ear? Maybe I'm not hearing it well, but I think they sound alike.
Talk to me, baby. I'm a beverage soda. I've been waiting all night long just to say hi when you call. Baby, can we sit and talk? Calm down and act what you're like two adults. I want you to gas me up. Baby, don't you shut the door, you drive me nuts. Do you love me?
So guys, these are just some things I do, in my free period, just try to get some plugins. And these plugins are actually very cheap. I think around like $30 something. So they're actually just cheap. So if you want to get it, the link is gonna be in the description. And if you're on the Patreon, goodies, amazing stuff always happen on the Patreon. So I urge you guys to go join the Patreon for amazing stuff. So but let me just know what you guys think, if this sounds like a nice mixed song already, or if this plugin is worth it. Let me know in the comment section. Let's engage in the comment. Let's have some nice chats in the comment section. But I think overall this is an amazing plugin you can try out. All right guys, so thank you for watching, and I hope you got something from this. This is just me trying to see if this is possible, if AI or if there's a plugin that can actually just mix a song to a certain level where we could say, okay, this is amazing, this is ready to be put out. And I decided to try these two plugins, and I think I give them a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, you want to subscribe for more amazing amazing videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.